Let us start your last exercise, exercise 4.4. Only two sums are there. See properly. Give the geometric representation of y equal to 3 as an equation. Give geometric representation of y equals to 3. Okay, the first question is geometric representation of y equal to 3 in one variable. Means don't think that this is the linear equation in two variable. Highest power is 1, that means it's a linear equation, but consider that only one variable y is there, x is not there. Then how can you represent it? Very simple. If you have only one variable, then you can draw with a number line only. Number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is your y. Y equals to 3. One variable. Okay. Now the second is two variable. In two variable. If you consider that this is the linear equation in two variable, then we consider what? Coefficient of x is 0. So what is the standard form? 0 into x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Y equal to 3 is your equation. Take plus 3 this side, it will be minus, and coefficient of x is 0. So now it is two variable. If there is a two variable, so simplify. Y equals to what? 3. 0 into anything 0, minus 3. Once again I take right side, and from this y equal to 3, if you want to draw the graph, because two variables are there, for two variables we need what? X and y. See here now, x is not there. So you have to suppose x whatever you like. As for example, I take x 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose you want to take 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You want to take minus 5, minus 7, plus 8, plus 13, whatever you like. Okay? Select your x. Your y equals to always 3, because the question is what? Y equals to 3. Now if you draw the graph, x-axis and y-axis, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, 1, sorry, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. X equals to 0, means nothing. Y 3. On y-axis, find out 3. This is your first point. 1, 3. X is 1 and y is 3. X is 2 and y is 3. X is 3 and y is 3. Okay, so this is your graph. From this graph you can derive what? If x coordinate is 0, means if x is not given, if only y is given and some constant term is given, so if y equals to constant, right? Important note is what? If y equals to constant, means x is not given, for your knowledge. X is not given for in your language. If y equals to constant, then the graph is parallel to x-axis. See, the graph is parallel to x-axis and perpendicular to y-axis. This y-axis, it is perpendicular, so it forms 90 degree. So you can say that it is perpendicular to y-axis. Remember, this is the one line question. It is given that if y equal to 5, then graph is parallel to dash and perpendicular to dash, or the graph is dash to x-axis and dash to y-axis. If y equal to constant, then it is always parallel to x-axis and perpendicular to y-axis. You have to remember the rule. Now write down this. We start the second question. Give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equals to 0 as an equation in one variable. See, if there is one variable, we don't think about y. Only this equation, consider this equation, that is 2x plus 9 equal to 0. So 2x plus 9 move other side, it will be minus 9. So x equals to what? Minus 9 by 2. Actually it is minus 4.5. 9 by 2 means. Okay. For one variable, it can be plotted in the number line. Here it is, I need minus, so 1, 2, 3 plus is not necessary. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. In between minus 4 and minus 5 there is a minus 4.5. So this is your point. Minus 4.5 equals to x. Second, in two variables. Consider that 2x plus 9 equal to 0 is in two variable, means y coefficient is 0. Our equation is 2x plus 9 equals to 0. Standard form will be what? 2x plus 0y plus 9 equals to 0. If you want to draw the graph, we take what? 2x plus 9 equals to 0. Therefore, plus 9 move other side, minus 9. 2 is in multiplication, move other side, minus 9.2. 9 divided by 2, so this is minus 4.5. X equals to minus 4.5. And now draw the graph for the same. I told you that I told you here x equals to minus 4.5, y is not given. If y is not given, then you can suppose y randomly, whatever you like. I like 0, 1, 2, 3. And x equals to remain same. That is minus 4.5, minus 4.5, minus 4.5. Every time same. Minus 4.5. And now draw the graph. X is negative, y needs positive. Y-axis, x-axis, origin 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, y 1, 2, 3, 4, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Okay, y0 means don't worry about this, only take x equal to minus 4.5 on x-axis. Minus 4.5 is exactly in between minus 4 and minus 5. 1, y is 1 here and x is minus 4.5. Y is 2, again x is same. Y is 3, again x is same. Means what is your note? What is the rule? Now you can derive from this. Note is what? Rule is what? If x equals to constant, or in your language y is not given, or coefficient of y is 0, whatever you say, if x equals to constant, then graph will be parallel to y-axis and perpendicular to x-axis, vice versa, or opposite of question number 1. So this is your exercise 4.4, and that's it for the chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. It is very easy chapter. Repeat 2 to 3 times, write down all the board work, and once again that's it for the chapter. And stay safe and enjoy.